How to make a shortcut from CMD. How can I create a shortcut file, .lnk, to another file or executable, using command line utilities?
There's some very useful information on the site. This URL seems like there is some shortcut.exe in some resource kit which I don't have. As many other sites mention, there is no built-in way to do it from a batch file, but you can do it from a VB script. Optional sections in the script below are commented out. So, if you really must do it, then you could make your batch file write the VB script to disk, invoke it and then remove it again. For example, like so. Here's a more complete snippet from an anonymous contributor, updated with a minor fix.
Here's a similar solution using PowerShell. I know, you can probably rewrite your whole batch file in PS, but if you just want to get it done, you may have to explicitly specify the path to PS in your file, but it should work. There are some additional attributes you can mangle through this object, too.
How about using link command? C:\Windows\system32 and GT. Link creates a symbolic link. Link/D/H/J link target.
Besides shortcut.exe, you can also use the command line version of CMD to create shortcut. This URL
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.